Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I achieved the tapered square look, so stay tuned.
To your favorite song. The night is young and you got me going on every single beat. It's my heart so deep.
So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve the tapered square look. First off, I'm not saying that I am perfect and this is the correct way, and I'm not saying that there's not other ways to achieve it. This is just my way. And starting off, I am grabbing my Max Estrada nail forms. This is my go-to nail form if you've seen all my other videos. I love these forms, especially for this shape because it's sturdy and I just feel like it gets the job done. So here I'm lining up the form, making sure that it lines up perfectly. I am going to pinch the bottom section and double check, and then make sure that there's a hole at the top of the form that gives the square shape, but pinching the bottom also gives it that tapered look.
Sneaking out the door, we're just getting started, lady. Now I really want some more. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be.
The first bead of acrylic is going to go where the form and the free edge meet, and I'm going to float and press down the acrylic bead to the preferred length that I want, which is to number 9. Okay, so now this is where the shaping and how you get that perfect tapered square look is going to come into effect. While you're building your nail, you want to make sure that it's as clean and precise as you can possibly get it. One, because the shape you will see on the nail form immediately. Two, you do not have to file and work that hard after you take the form off. So here, I am just making sure that I am at the number 9 length that I want, and making sure that the sides are crisp and straight and clean. Now I'm going to add the second bead to just finish out the tip of the nail. Building your structure to the nail, always double check. See, I'm making sure that my sides are still how I want them. The top, I'm just always double checking before and after I add any acrylic.
A place that we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, I won't come back. I have dreams about us.
When I do a full nail in color acrylic, when it's not a covered color acrylic, I always cap it in clear.
I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. There is no us no more.
As you can see, after taking the form off, the shape is already there. So now I'm just going to make sure that the bottom of the nails are straight, coming straight from the free edge to the tip, and making sure that the sides are straight. I'm not bending my file at all. I am just making sure that the file stays straight so that my sides are straight. I'm about to move the Valentino because I think that is distracting and that the white background might be a better view. So here I'm double checking that my sides and the top is going to be completely straight, and then I'm going to go around the whole entire nail and make sure that it's smooth.
Because I miss you so much, I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop.
Make sure you always check all angles of the nail to make sure that the shape is how you want. Now I'm taking my sanding band and going around the cuticle and down the barrel of the nail to make sure everything is just smooth and how I like it.
All the time, it won't stop until it's over, yeah. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over, baby.
Okay, so right here I'm failing at life and I don't know why I thought this was cute. So I'm going ahead and extending my sanding band so that I can go down the barrel of the nail without it hitting the handpiece. And that is how you create the tapered square shape. I am in love with this color. Sorry for these clips. I think my lens was not clean, and so I cleaned it, so the last video is going to be great. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed and learned a little something. Please tag me in anything that you recreate of mine, and I appreciate all the love and support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and everyone, please stay safe. I will catch you on the flip side. Bye.